If your PS5 controller won't connect or just keeps flashing blue right here, here's how to fix it. First, connect the controller directly to your PS5 using a USB data cable. Some charging cables only provide power and won't pair the controller. And it's connected right there to the PS5. Go ahead and press the PS button right there and wait a few seconds. If that didn't work, reset the controller. So obviously my controller is working, but for the purposes of this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to reset the controller. So we're going to flip it around to the back, and now you will see that there are two holes. This is the hole that you want to use, and we're going to need a pen. So these are one of the SIM card little pins, and what we're going to want to do is go ahead and put it in the hole and for 5 seconds. So let's go ahead, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you'll see DualSense wireless controller disconnected on top. If you got that message, then that is a good sign. If it did not, if that message didn't pop up, then we're going to go ahead and try to push the PS button again. And hopefully now it is connected. If it's still not working, try another USB cable. Many USB cables change devices but don't transfer data. I'm sorry, they charge devices but they don't transfer data, so pairing will fail. Finally, restart the PS5 completely and try to connecting it again. So we're going to go ahead and push this down, and it will now turn off. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. Wait a few seconds. Hold it down. Oh, it's not ready yet. It's still powering down, so you're going to have to wait a few seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and try now. So we're powering it back on. Okay, so now it is powered back on and reset. I'm going to pull this off. It takes a little bit of time to restart. Okay, so now it's restarted, and I would go through the process again, try plugging it in, putting the PS, and hopefully now your controller is working. One of these steps usually fixes almost every PS5 controller connection problem. If this video has helped, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time.